I'm a reporter from the esports news. I'm sorry to bother you. Could I have a quick interview with you?
Sure.
Did he just agree? I didn't expect it to be so easy. Hey, don't you have questions for me? I'm very busy. I wonder whether you'd intend to become a professional player in the future. No. Huh? Could you tell us your reason? Well, it's a secret. Let me say something else in front of your camera. I'll tell you afterward. Hello, everyone. Are you still annoyed about your 10-game losing streak in the arena? Are you still worried that you always get executed right after you respawn? I'm a top-class booster of the galaxy. I'm an honest service provider who has been in this industry for more than a decade. Boosting is officially forbidden. This video cannot be released. I knew it. I finally know why there's no interview given by this guy. Web novel comics, never so easy.